Oh, that's probably the best peel I've ever done. I love it. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Onn Roku Smart TV, specifically the 55-inch 4K version. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. We got the nice screenshot of the Roku operating system that's built into this TV. This is exactly how it looks with the tile interface. 3 HDMI inputs, 60 Hz refresh rate, full 4K resolution at 2160p. We have a really nice included remote control, and this TV was assembled in the United States, compatible with Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit, and works with Google. Now let's go ahead and get it opened up. It's always fun trying to open up a TV this big. We'll see how it'll go. All right, so the first thing we're seeing here, we got some of the TV stand legs right here. Looks like our remote control, I believe, some documentation, and our other TV stand leg. All right, here's one of the legs right there. Nice and metal. I thought it'd be plastic. This is great. Gonna definitely be able to support the weight of the TV. And here's our second leg. Also metal, as you'd expect. Identical to the first one. Appears they're both exactly the same. Got our goodie bag right here featuring, what do we got first? Quick start guide. If you have any questions, it looks like they're going to have you covered right here. You can learn all about your TV. QR code on the back for the warranty info. All right, next up we have some safety compliance information. QR code again to scan and register. 2-year warranty. We have our remote control. In our case, ooh, we got a good one. So we got Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV, and HBO Max right there. Screws for the stand. 2 AAA batteries for the remote. Now for the fun part. Can we get the TV out? I see it in there. This'll be fun. Success! All right. Ta-da! Let's go! All right, here are all the contents. We got our product literature right here with our warranty information, followed by our quick start guide, the 2 stand and legs for this TV, as well as the screws for it, 2 AAA batteries, and our Roku remote. Check out the TV right here. Looks great. That's where the legs are going to be installed on both sides. Then we have our power button right there. Got the Onn logo and branding, Roku's logo and branding, energy guide sticker. Without powering it on, the screen looks like it survived shipment. We'll find out here soon enough. Now let's go ahead, let's get the legs installed. So the legs are only going to fit one way on the TV. We have a little notch here, you can see, and we have the notch right there. So they line up and it fits flush, just like that. And pay attention, we have the legs pointed out away from the TV. You could try the other way where we don't have the notch, but it's not going to be flush, and they're the wrong way. So go ahead, line it up, notch to notch right there. Put 2 of the screws in, and this is what it's going to look like. And now you'll have the stand fully set up. All right, would you look at that? Now we have the TV standing upright. I plugged it in, powered it on. Let's go ahead. Let's get our batteries installed in the remote control. Just press them gently in place. There we go. Now let's look at the TV from the back side, get a feel for all the ports and I/O that this TV has to offer. So on the back side of the TV right here, clearly labeled for us, we have our reset button, HDMI 3, which is our ARC HDMI, HDMI 2, optical audio, and we have our headphone jack. Underneath, we have everything else here from our antenna and cable, HDMI 1, our video and left, right audio right there if you're looking for some old school connections. We got our LAN if you want to do a hardwired Ethernet. This is also wireless. And we have our USB port. And on the very back, we have our VESA mount right here. It's a 400 by 200. You can see the mount there. And then we also have a nice little cable storage zip tie clip right there in the back of the TV. And with it standing up, here's your side profile. So there it is at the bottom, going to be its thickest point. And that stays the same to the back, and then it gets a little bit thinner up at the top. Now it's time to go ahead. We're going to pull off all of the plastic right here. We're going to start around the frame first, and we'll work our way around so then we can take the plastic off the screen itself. There's our energy guide sticker. We might want to save that if we can here. All right, now let's go ahead. Let's try here. All right. So satisfying. Oh, that's probably the best peel I've ever done. I love it. All right, we finally broke through on the last piece right here, going around the whole rest of the TV. That's also really satisfying. Here we go. Oh, come on. We got a major rip on that side. We still got to get it. All right, there we go. We did it. And now you're looking at our beautiful TV all set up and ready to go. Look at the Roku interface. I love the tiles right here. Just select and choose your favorite streaming apps. Organize them however you want. Everything else is really quickly and easily accessible on the side menu right here. Very easy to browse. It's clutter-free. Easy to navigate whether you're 2 years old or 100 years old or anywhere in between. It really is, in my opinion, the iOS of TV operating systems. That's why I really enjoy Roku TVs, for their simplicity and clutter-free design. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you're here. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down and share it with somebody that you don't like. I don't care. It could be a frenemy, an annoying coworker, maybe a bully in school. Go ahead, share the video with them. And please, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be around in this channel, engaging with us, suggesting what you want to see in the future. So thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in the next video.